Hello everybody, this is Ogini Supreme here with another tutorial on how to program in Turing. So today we're going to go through procedures. Now, procedures I really like because they're subprograms, so they help get rid of repetition like functions do. I personally love procedures. So let's say, I don't know, you want to do a procedure where you like find the area or the circumference of a circle. You could use a function, or you could use a procedure, and the difference is functions, they return a value for like a script or something, whereas procedures don't. They just run script. So I'm going to show you an example. So let's say we're going to make a procedure. So you just type the word procedure and then circle stuff. I don't know, this is going to find the area and circumference of a circle. So let's say radius equals real. Now I'm not going to put this at the end because the procedures aren't returning a value. So now put the area of the circle is, and then we would type whatever. So that, well, this represents the area of a circle. So now if I do put the circumference of the circle is radius times 2 times 3.14 centimeters. So this procedure, it runs this script. So it doesn't return anything. It has no result. It's just, it runs this script, and I misspelled this. So now if I put var r equals real, put enter radius, get r, and then to use a procedure, you type the name, and then the variable that's going to represent the variables in the procedure. So right now, radius, r is going to represent radius. So now, let's say we want to enter a procedure that asks for input. So get radius equals real. Now, this is not going to work for this, because let's say I want to type this, enter radius, give radius. This is not going to work because it's going to say it's not a variable. Well, why? I'm calling variable. Well, technically, no, you're not. You have to type var before. So why didn't I type it here? Well, that's because at the end of this procedure, radius is going to change its value, or it might change its value, whereas this, all it's doing is taking the value and using it. Like that. So, since this is going to change, we need var in front. So if you want to use another variable that doesn't change its value, let's say width, we can just type width, and each variable is separated by a comma. So now enter radius, get radius, and get radius. So now we can type get radius r. So r is going to represent the variable radius. So now, so far working. There you go. That's how to use procedures. So you can also use functions in procedures. So let's say C area radius real equals real. Result 3.14 times radius exponent 2 and C area. So like that. So now right here we can type C area and then bracket radius. Now these two don't have to be the same, so this could be funny. I can do funny like that. It doesn't have to be the same. Now I can do the same for circumference, but you know, we get the same value for their area, and that's the one I use the function with, and circumference stays the same. So that's really it for procedures. Now procedures, I recommend using them if you're going to be making programs that require a lot of repetition. Let's say you want to make Pong. You know, Pong where you move up and down. You might want to make a procedure for moving up and moving down instead of constantly looping or repeating the code. You would use a procedure for that. If you're making the ball move, you want to use a procedure. And then if you're making like a drawing application, you would use a procedure for basically the same reason. So that's really everything about procedures. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more. This is Ogany Supreme logging off.